So our cap is dried now. Okay, welcome back from that short break. You know, the last time I told you, after applying the stiffener, put the cap in the sun and let it dry very well. Now our cap is fully dried now. So the next thing now is to go ahead and remove all the spin. Now for the embellishment of this cap now, let me quickly tell us the items or materials needed for the embellishment of this cap. I'll be needing my fascinator wire cutter. I use this to cut the wire. I will need my scissors. I will this is web net. I'm going to place it on it. It will look something like this. That is what I desire to do. You can embellish it as you wish. Okay, then a thread and a needle, my bias for the finishing, Alice band to be able to hang it at the end. This is an elastic. I use this in place of waddy. In most cases it is difficult to get black waddy and I prefer using black waddy. So in absence of black waddy, I use my elastic for the finishing. So this is fruit for the embellishment. You can use any design of your choice. Then my rose. This is the web net. So I cut this out from this. Okay. In case you are wondering what's the measurement of this, you take the measurement of your mold. Take the measurement so that you'll be able to cut out the exact measurement so you don't waste your material. Okay, in this work you need to be very careful. Wastage is not allowed at all. So this is the fascinator wire. I've already cut out the desired measurements that will enable me do my work firmly. Now the essence of this wire will be put inside this cap later on to make the edges firm. Okay, so my tape rule, which I use to measure the things needed to be measured. So next thing now is to go ahead and start removing this pin. It's dried, so it's a bit hard. So don't stress yourself. You can just use your plier again. Pull out gently so you don't break the top. Are you seeing what I'm doing? So I've removed all the pins. The next step now is to carefully pull out the mold. You see? So this is our fascinator. So next step, gently trim the excess out. So you see, I've carefully trimmed out the excess. So the next one now is to go ahead and place your fascinator wire to make it firm. Gently place it inside like this. So the wire is inside now. Then I told you I will be using my web net to cover the top. It's just a design. If you wish, you can do that for your own as well. Place it like this. Make sure it's properly aligned. When you are sure of that, then you just clip the edges so the net doesn't slip off. So having done that, from one end you start sewing. Always use matching color needle thread, so your work will be neat. So you carefully, if you are using this web net also for your design, you make sure you grab the fascinator wire inside, grab it together with the fascinator itself. That's the princess mat now. Then the net on top. You make sure you are holding everything together. Then you start your sewing from inside. From inside, then outside, take it very close to where it came out from. So your sewing from outside will not be too visible. It will make your work very neat. So go ahead and sew it now. I'm coming back.